You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this community in Maryland. This is also the name of a river in the United States that flows through Washington, D.C. The way it's pronounced in the US is as Potomac. Potomac. So it's not really Mac. I think maybe in British English it's Potomac, but locally in the US, Potomac. Potomac River. Potomac River. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.